Today we're looking at a Dometic 3-way fridge. 3-way, that means it'll work via 3 power sources. Mains, gas, or via the alternator. So to turn it on, we press and hold the power button and that'll bring the fridge on. Using the mode button here, we can then choose the power source. So the first one is the alternator. That only works when the engine is running, hence we have an error come up. Next one is gas, and it's automatic igniter, so that will fire on the gas. Next one is mains. That's mains hookup, so when you're connected to the mains on the hookup point, you will have it running on mains. And your last one is auto. On auto, it will choose its own power source. So as the mains is plugged in, it's gone to mains. If the mains wasn't plugged in, it would look for the gas, and if you started the engine, it would go to engine when the engine is running. On the gas, on the auto setting, it will not fire on gas if the engine has been running in the last 15 minutes, and that is due to safety. After 15 minutes, it will fire up. You can override the system by using the mode button to override it. And here we have your temperature control. So that one sets your temperature, bigger the bubbles, colder the fridge will run. Running the fridge, it will take about 4 hours to get to cold. If you put an ice cube tray in the ice box, check it after about 3 to 4 hours. If that is frozen, then you're safe to put your food in. And to turn it off, we press and hold on there, and that'll turn it off. You have 2 safety catches, one at the top, one at the bottom. Just move that across, that locks it. Back this way, opens it. When we're not using the van through the winter months, or when it's parked up, just slide out this little arm. That goes across and clips into your fridge catch. And that will hold it on a breather so it won't go mouldy. Bringing that back, fold that back in, and then the fridge will shut and lock.